so I can film while I'm driving. So I'm probably not going to be looking at you, but I'll be talking to you. And it's just been really difficult to, I don't know, it's just been hard right now with everything that's happening with Breonna Taylor and just the pandemic and everything. And it's just really sad, you know, it's like we never can get justice. So I don't even know what to do at this point. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to wake up and try to, you know, be positive and try to have a good day when, you know, all this stuff is happening. But I just don't want to be negative today. But it's hard, but I just can't do it. But I'm supposed to be going to the dentist today, and then supposed to be trying to get my room together. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be showing you my room because I'm a little bit embarrassed. My room is really messy, and I didn't put any makeup on today. Just have sunscreen on. So yeah, that's my day. I'll try to bring you guys with me to the dentist. I mean, I think I'm just getting my teeth cleaned, and then I got this new, before the pandemic, I got this new, well, that's not new, but I was getting this teeth whitening thing, and I got my teeth molded before the pandemic, and then I was supposed to like come back and get it, but the pandemic happened and I wasn't able to do it. So now I'm finally going back to get it, and we'll see. My teeth should be whiter. So yeah. Well, I'm driving now, so I'll let you guys. Hey, so hello beautiful. So I just came from the dentist. I got my teeth clean, and I got some free toothbrush, and I got Hecka floss. So now I'm gonna go to It's a Grind, and I'm gonna get like a coffee drink, and then I'm gonna go to Home Depot to get some boxes, and then I'm just gonna head home. So yeah, my teeth feel really good. I have to come back to pick up my bleaching kit for my teeth, and I'm excited about that. So yeah, I'm gonna go to It's a Grind right now. So come on, let's go. YouTube. So I just got back home. I finished my It's a Grind white chocolate mocha while I was on my way home. I didn't go to Home Depot because my uncle said he would give me some boxes, so I didn't go. Now I'm back home and I'm gonna start cleaning my room because I don't want to wait, and I've been putting it off for a long time even though I really don't feel like doing it. I'm gonna just go ahead and knock it out and get it out the way. So that was my day pretty much. I'm just gonna be at home for the rest of the day. Pretty boring, but yeah. So thanks.